Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the concept of doing push and pull actions inside your repo. So, with push pull, the idea is you have a remote repo. So, when we say remote repo, that is the repo that you see in your GitLab or GitHub, whatever you're using. And then all the changes that you see here is considered your remote repo. And then local repo is essentially what you see on your computer. So when you do a push pull action, pushing is the act of making all of the latest changes on your local repo into your remote repo. So then when there's something that happens there, you can see it. And then pulling is the act of retrieving any new changes in the remote repo and you could see it locally. Okay, so that's the main difference between push and pull. And these concepts will show up throughout my later videos. It's hard to teach a push and a pull without doing other things. So stay tuned for the actual instances where we call these commands. And specifically for pulling, you'll see it when people merge something. So we'll talk about that in our merge videos. And then with pushing, you'll see it when you start committing something. That's when you do a push. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And usually for this, right, you may be one user, but then you could have other people that's working in the repo. So there could be several other people pushing, and then that's where pulling comes in handy. Okay. So hopefully this gave you a good understanding of push and pull for repos. And then, yeah, so stay tuned to see how it's used. And if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.